This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jack Brundige. Sitting on one of the highest elevation lots in the desirable Sheffield neighborhood, this home has amazing views of the Smoky Mountains. This large home is like new with tons of natural light and a great floor plan. Featuring 6 bedrooms, with owner's suites on main level and second level, 5 full bathrooms, 1 half bath and lots of extra storage. Outdoors, enjoy the view from the spacious deck or patio, and there's plenty of room for the kids to play in the level, fenced-in backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Jack Brundige at 865-693-1111.